video, I'm going to walk you through question QA of Part 3 of our ROF homework. So you are given this S parameter matrix. The first one is to determine whether the network is reciprocal. And the second one is to check whether the network is lossless or not. And Part C, if you are going to terminate, this is a 3-port network. If you are going to terminate port 3 with 50 ohm, and uh, how can I analyze this network? And according to the question, you need to reduce the network into 2-port network. The S parameter will be 2-port. It looks difficult, but it isn't difficult, and this is a very common problem in practice. Okay, so I'm going to start now. So this is the S parameter matrix from the question. Now you need to check whether it's reciprocal or not. So you can check just by direct inspection. S21 and S12 the same. S31 and S13 are the same. S23 and S32 they are the same. So you can just say A. So yes, because Sij is equal to Sji. Okay, P, the network. For you need to check all the column. So P J is equal to Skj Skj. K start from 1 to the maximum. So we can check this one first. 0.2 times 0.2 minus plus 0.845 times 0.845 and then 0.145 times 0.1 minus 45 and check the value. I also need to do calculation now. I haven't done it yet. 0.2 square plus 0.8 square plus 0.1 square. So I got 0.69, which is below 1. So the network is lossy network. And part C of the question. So if you terminate video, yeah, first of all, it's difficult to explain verbally. I have to use equation to show you This problem is very, very straightforward, and we always have this problem in practice. So I'm going to erase part A, part B, and we focus on part C. Now, first of all, if you look at the third line of the matrix, we have S11, sorry, uh, subgroup, and then V1 plus S, sorry, I should say this, S31. Yeah, I'm now looking at the first, so focusing on the third row. We look at the third row and 3, 2, S3, and this is going to be equal to part 3, the V3 minus. Now, because uh, since part 3 has been terminated with 50 ohm, we can say in this case uh, refraction at the low at 3 is 0, and we also means that S33 is 0. Yeah, under this condition, there will be low refraction, the incident rate. I would say the um, yeah, the low at part 3, the refraction coefficient of the low at part 3 is equal to 3. Now I'm now considering the low as a from the low perspective. Yeah, uh, the incident first and then the refraction. Yeah, I'm now considering the low perspective. So I got 0 here under this condition. So this means V3 plus is 0. In this case, the equation 1 becomes V3 V1 V1 like this. SVV may not be 0, but V3 plus the refraction voltage at port B is 0. So you can just ignore all the terms that need to multiply with V3. So in this case, uh, we focus on uh, first two rows. So focusing on the first two rows. Yeah. So the first two row 1 and 2 become because V3 plus is 0, then we don't need to consider the third column. We only need to focus on the first two equations, and then we can just say V1 minus, and then this one V1 plus, and then 0.8, and then V1 minus, sorry, V2 plus. So similarly, for the second row, so the bracketed values are the S parameter. Okay, and if you have any further question, please leave your question to the comment section. Thank you.